Michael, just another question. Do you have maybe a little bit of concrete example that you can describe how you've helped a client standardize data and lay the groundwork for AI adoption?
Yes, sure. We have, so I can give you one iconic example. We've been working with a company which provides educational and medical treatment services for preschool kids with special requirements. And when we started our collaboration with that company, we found out that they have almost all their processes were paper and Excel based. And those processes include not only working with a lot of providers of medical and educational services, I mean like in-house and vendors. They have budget and processes, payout processes, treatment schedules, education schedules, so a lot of data coming from different angles. And those data were paper-based or Excel-based, which led to they had quite significant monthly budget, and those mistakes meant significant financial losses. So we started with them with a workshop, data readiness review, as we usually do in such situations. And based on our findings, we proposed them a solution. How can we help them to automate everything they do, create a proper cloud storage, data processing pipelines, and so on. Once everything was approved, it took us around 8 months to create the system. Mm-hmm. And now I'm happy to say that they work with zero mistakes, taking decisions. Everything works quicker, more efficient, and the customer is happy.